Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the Visa gift card is activated and the balance shows. Once done, open the Meta Quest mobile app or put on the headset and sign into your Meta account. This links purchases to your profile. Next, locate the Oculus Store entry for the game or app you want. Make sure you pick the correct edition or platform option because refunds are limited. Now proceed to the checkout screen so you can add payment details and complete the transaction. At checkout, select Add Payment Method and enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV. You must type the billing ZIP that matches the card's registration, or the payment will fail. Once added, Meta may verify with a small authorization. That's normal, it's not charged. If the gift card balance is less than the purchase price, choose to pay the remainder with another saved method or add a second card. Make sure to confirm the total before you finalize. Complete the purchase by tapping Buy or Confirm. Your receipt appears in your Meta account and the download begins automatically. If the transaction fails, re-enter the card details slowly, confirm the ZIP, and retry in the mobile app versus the headset. One sometimes succeeds when the other doesn't. If you get an authorization decline, contact the card issuer to ensure online and international purchases are allowed. Lastly, keep the remaining balance if
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.